What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Detail Garage. Today I have a quick tip on how to enhance the look of your exterior trim, especially your tires, and also to make it last as long as possible. So here we have my S10, and I just got brand new tires maybe about a week ago. And after we washed the car and then waxed it up and everything, the tire looked a little less appealing than the rest of the vehicle. So now we're going to show it some love by applying Tire Kicker, which is a water-based dressing. And this is again safe for any of your interior and exterior surfaces that are vinyl, rubber, and plastic. Simply apply it to an applicator or direct to the surface, let it sit for about a moment, and then wipe off any of the excess. So to begin, we've already cleaned off the tire to remove any of the old dressing or any kind of grease or anything that was on the surface. And now we're just going to use one of our Durafoam applicator pads, which has these waves in there. And this helps to trap all the products so we're not spilling it all over the place, making a mess. Just a couple sprays ought to do it. And what I do is I'll blotch it out to start with. This way we don't have a heavy glob of it or dab of it in one area. And then you want to work it in until you cover the entire surface of the tire. And I like the more natural look. That's why we're going with one of the more matte shine or medium shine tire dressings. Because as you see here, it's not a huge difference or contrast from how it looked before, because this is a dry and natural looking tire. And this is going to just give us a little bit of enhancement to make it look a little more appealing. Makes it a little darker, and this is also a great way to just give it more curb appeal. For the same process, we're just going to spread it out and then even it out, and then you can always come back with a clean towel and wipe away any of the excess. But by using this larger applicator, it covers the tire very quickly because it's a larger tire. For a smaller or low profile tire, maybe you want to cut this in half or use a smaller applicator. And then for the bottom here, you can either roll the vehicle back or move the tire around, or a quick trick is you put a 2x4 or something underneath it. You drive on top of that, that way you can do it all in one shot. But that's up to you guys, but very easy to do here. And the way to make it last is obviously through the prep work. You want to clean it off and then dry the surface very thoroughly before you put your dressing on there, because this is going to give you a fresh surface for it to bond to. And just like any of your coatings, a clean surface is easier for it to bond to, so it lasts longer. And then also, if you have any high spots or any heavy globs of it, take a clean towel and wipe away any of the excess. This way, again, it doesn't sling off and it'll last as long as possible. So guys, I know this was a short video, but this is just a quick tip to get your car looking its best at all times. If you like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, drop your comments down below for future videos. We'll see you guys next time.